Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Terry, and in today's video we're going to be diving into one of the most important skincare tips that literally everybody should know about before you go ahead and try any new products. How to properly and safely patch test your skincare products. Trust me guys, you want to stay tuned for this one because I'm going to be sharing unique tips and hot takes that no one else is talking about. So go ahead and grab your new products because we're going to be making sure that your skin stays healthy and glowy with no reactions, irritations, or skin barrier damage. So before we go ahead and jump into how to actually patch test your skincare products, let's just quickly touch upon why patch testing is so important. I'm sure you know this by now, but the skin is actually the largest organ on the human body, and it tends to react to things in ways that you may not even realize. When trying out new skincare products, especially the ones with skin actives, the last thing you want is a sudden breakout, rash, irritation, or severe skin barrier damage from your expensive skincare products. Patch testing is just a simple and effective way to protect your skin while comfortably exploring the world of new skincare products. Trust me guys, I'm not judging in any way. I love to try out new skincare product releases as often as they come out. So whether you're testing out a serum, moisturizer, cleanser, retinol, or a face mask, patch testing is just a way to raise an early alarm to you to avoid any issues and to make sure that the product that you're using is right for your exact skin type and skin tone. And the best part about it is that it only takes a few minutes, and this could save you days, weeks, and even months of frustration caused by your skin. If you're not new to my channel, you know I go on about patch testing a lot on my channel. I'm always talking about patch testing, but I've never really taken the time to sit down and explain it step by step to you guys. So here it is. Alright, so now what exactly is patch testing, right? Patch testing is essentially applying small amount of your new product to a very small area of your skin, preferably a more sensitive area of your skin. Now this is just to see how your skin reacts to the product before you go ahead and apply it all over your face and body. Just imagine treating an allergic reaction all over your body. Scary, right? The goal is to see if this particular product that you're about to use causes any form of irritation, redness, or an allergic reaction. The area used for patch testing should be somewhere discreet, like behind your ear, your inner forearm, or even the side of your neck. These particular areas are sensitive enough to mimic the skin on your face, and this is probably going to tell you how the product is going to react once you apply it all over your face or body, but also easy to hide in case there are any issues. So what happens if you actually have a reaction? In case you notice any of the following reactions, it just means that this particular product is not for you, and it's okay. You can easily find a product that does the same thing that is designed for you. It's best you go cold turkey and stop using it immediately. First sign is going to be redness or irritation that doesn't go away immediately. The next tell is bumps, small rashes, or pimples forming on the skin. Itching or tingling sensations, inflammation or swelling around the area. My second tip for if you have any reaction is not to panic first of all. Gently cleanse the area with cold water and a mild cleanser. I highly recommend the CeraVe Gentle Cleanser in such a situation. Following this, avoid using any harsh products and touching the area unnecessarily. You can go ahead and apply a soothing aloe vera gel or hydrocortisone cream in extreme cases of irritation. But if you're still unsure, it's best to consult with a dermatologist before applying any further products to that area. Now to my favorite part, tips that nobody else is talking about when it comes to patch testing your skincare products. These tips are going to save you from irritation and help you make the most out of your patch testing. So my first tip is going to be patch testing on different areas of your body. Did you know that your skin is not uniform all over your body? Well, some areas of your body have thicker layers of skin than others. Sometimes what happens is that the product might cause a reaction on one part of your body but be perfectly fine on another area of your body. So that's just why it's ideal to patch test the product on different areas of your body just to be sure. For instance, the neck, forearm, behind the ear all react differently than the face. My next tip will be to patch test actives separately. So when patch testing products with strong active ingredients like vitamin C, retinols, or acids, make sure you're patch testing them separately. Don't be patch testing them all at once, especially if you're trying multiple new products at the same time, as it can be very hard to pinpoint the exact product that is causing, if any, the reaction that you are currently experiencing. My next tip is not to forget the eye area. People of God, I'm not asking you to put the new skincare products around your eye. All I'm saying is that the skin around your eyes differently from the rest of your face. So be extra careful if you're testing out eye creams, serums, and other skincare products around your eye area. Make sure that in such a situation, you are patch testing as close to your eye area as possible. Please limit the surface area on which you are patch testing this product. If it's an eye area product, please make sure that you are applying it only on a very small area, enough to see what is going to happen, but not so much that the reaction will be excessive or massive on your face. Typically, eye area reactions can cause swelling around the eyes, which can be extremely intense. Some common patch testing mistakes that you should be avoiding. So now that we know the correct ways to patch test our new skincare products, here are some common mistakes that you and I have been making when it comes to patch testing our new skincare products, and some quick tips on how to avoid them. So the first one is testing skincare products while traveling. Testing out new skincare products while traveling can be risky. Your skin may be more sensitive than usual, given the fact that you might be in a completely different climatic condition. So it's best that you patch test your products while you're at home and in your, how do I best say it, your safe space and a controlled environment that your body is used to. The next mistake is patch testing multiple products at the same time. Remember, one patch test at a time. Don't be patch testing multiple skincare products on your skin at the same time, or it's going to be very difficult for you to identify the exact product that is causing a reaction on your skin. So there you have it, my complete step-by-step guide on how to patch test new skincare products. And it can in the long run save you so much skin trouble. Healing a damaged skin barrier takes a while, trust me, especially if you don't know the exact product that caused that in the first place. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button to join the family, and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss out on any of my weekly uploads. I'd really love to hear about your experiences when you tried out this patch testing methods. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's chat up there, and let me know if you've ever had a reaction from any skincare product that you've tried newly, and how are you able to deal with that particular problem. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed.